Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to connect your Crunchyroll to LG TV. So for anyone who owns a LG TV and is trying to stream Crunchyroll, just go to the website on the built-in browser. So this is a suggestion made by a Redditor a few years back. Because when it comes to Crunchyroll for app and the LG TV, it says right here that you need a 2018 and newer running at least WebOS 4.0 that is supported. So if you don't fall in that category, all you have to do is try to go to the website or the built-in browser basically and stream Crunchyroll there. Because as you can see, streams are high quality, autoplay to the next episode works like a charm, and basically arrows on the remote can be used for fast forwarding and rewinding in full screen. So it works like a charm. So you don't really have to make a problem and try to install the actual application. You can just head into your built-in browser and do the same. So this is the easiest way to actually stream Crunchyroll on your LG TV without any problems.